Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado mayonnaise. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Also, have 1/2 cup of light olive oil and a pinch of salt ready. It's crucial that all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps everything combine smoothly, creating a creamy and delicious mayonnaise. Now, let's start blending. Add your ripe avocado, egg yolk, lemon juice, and salt into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they form a very smooth and creamy paste. Make sure there are no lumps of avocado left. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl a couple of times to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. This next step is key for a perfect mayonnaise. With the food processor running on low, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of light olive oil. It's important to add the oil in a very thin, steady stream. This gradual addition allows the mixture to emulsify properly. Keep processing until the mayonnaise thickens to your desired consistency, usually a few minutes. Once your avocado mayonnaise has reached the perfect thickness, give it a taste. You can add a little more salt or lemon juice if you prefer. Then, transfer your delicious homemade mayonnaise into an airtight container. It's best to store it in the refrigerator. Enjoy your fresh avocado mayonnaise within 3 to 5 days for the best flavor and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.